Welcome to CBSE Class 11 Computer Science. In this lesson, we will study input devices and output devices. You will learn how data enters a computer, how it becomes digital data, and how the result is presented to the user. The basic flow is input, process, and output. Input goes into the computer. The computer works on it, and output comes out. We will learn the meaning of input and output devices and study common examples. An input device sends data or control signals to a computer. It allows a user to enter information or give commands. Examples include keyboard, mouse, scanner, and touchscreen. A computer works with digital data. An input device converts words, clicks, images, touch, or other input into digital form. The entered data is temporarily stored in main memory called RAM so the computer can process it. A keyboard and mouse are common input devices. Pressing a key sends data to the computer. Moving or clicking the mouse sends control signals. The computer receives these actions as digital input. A scanner converts information from paper into digital input. A touchscreen accepts a selection when you touch the display. Both devices send data or control signals into the computer system. Voice can also be used to enter data. It is another way to give input to a computer. The voice input must be converted into digital form. After entry, the data can be stored temporarily in RAM. An output device receives data from the computer system. It converts digital information into a form that people can understand. Output may be displayed, produced as sound, printed on paper, or created as a physical object. A monitor and projector provide visual output. They receive data from the computer and show the result. Visual output means output that you can see. Headphones and speakers provide sound output. They receive data from the computer system and convert digital information into sound. Sound output means output that you can hear. A printer produces a physical copy of digital information. This is called a hard copy. A document shown on a screen is displayed output, while a printed document or image is physically produced on paper. A 3D printer is also an output device. It receives data from the computer and creates a physical object. This shows that output is not limited to display, sound, or printed paper. Remember the main difference. An input device sends data or control signals to the computer and converts input into digital form. An output device receives data from the computer and converts digital information into an understandable form. Let us recap. Input devices include keyboard, mouse, scanner, touchscreen, and voice input. Output devices include monitor, projector, headphones, speakers, printer, and 3D printer. Input goes into the computer. The computer processes it and output comes out. Thank you for watching this video. For more computer science revision, visit www.tuitionharbour.com or email at hello@tuitionharbour.co.uk.